Now am I audible?
Yeah, nah. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I start again. My name is Ravi and I am from Jalandhar, which is in Punjab, and I work in Shri Ram Transport Finance Company. And my hobbies are playing cricket, watching cricket, and watching some videos on YouTube.
Okay, that's great, Ravi. So about me, I am Sarita, and I'm basically from Haryana. And like all other people, I have started my spoken English journey just now. So I'm
Okay.
experiencing a great thing. It's all about me.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So you are also running a YouTube channel.
Yes, I have a channel. So the intention behind is because I want to connect more and more people. So without running a channel, it's not easy task to make a conversation with other. So that's why I have made my own channel. I uploaded some videos, 4 to 5 videos there.
So have you uploaded this conversation type of videos or something else also?
No, I just uploaded conversation videos, nothing else.
Okay, okay.
There are 2 and 3 clapping those videos, and one of or two. There are some YouTube friend these videos.
Okay, okay. So have you taken Clappingo subscription?
Yes, in this month I have taken a Clappingo subscription, and I started 2 and 3. In the beginning of the month of May.
Mhm.
So I have taken 1 month subscription that I have, and now it has completed.
Okay.
Yes,
So how's your experience with Clappingo? It's going good?
it was good. Yeah, it was good.
Okay.
Already it has completed, so it was good because before the May, I was not able to speak in English. I could speak, but not fluent. Or I speak. I spoke fast.
Mm-hmm.
There's other people, they are not. As I You are from Haryana.
Yes.
Yeah, then you know very well that people who lived in Himachal, especially Kullu, Manali, and if anybody who lived there more than 4 to 5 years, then they are used to speaking fast.
True.
So that's my problem. I speak fast. So after joining the Clappingo, everybody suggested me only one thing: you need to speak slow.
Same is
So
happening with me also, Ravi. Actually, I also speak
okay,
too fast, and one of the Clappingo tutor told me that you need to speak slowly, slowly. But it's really difficult for me to speak slow, to be very frank, because it's my nature, it's my habit. Since such a long time, I'm speaking too fast, so it's becoming very difficult when someone says me that okay, you need to speak slow. So when it comes to English also, I am faster, but somehow it's not
I,
good also.
when we speak fast, we do more mistake
Yes,
because
true.
on that time we lots of things running in our mind. Sometimes we stuck, we fumble while
Hmm.
speaking
Hmm.
what to
Hmm.
say and how to say.
Yes, yes,
But when
true.
we speak slow, we can take time to think,
Yes,
and
yes.
when we get time to think, then we can maintain our flow of
Hmm.
speaking.
True, true, true. But for me, it's becoming difficult to speak slow because it's in my habit. I'm trying a lot. I'm trying, but after 2 or 3 minutes, I
I,
again catch that speed and I'll start speaking
yeah,
that speedily. So it's becoming difficult
I
for
have
me.
been trying. I
Uh,
have been trying for 10 years. Even I speak fast in Hindi as well as
mhm,
Punjabi. Lots of
mhm.
people, they are not able to understand me when they talk over the phone.
Yes.
Sometimes they disconnect the call.
Mm.
Sometimes they start irritating.
Yes,
So,
true.
it,
It
but now
happens. Actually,
every
this is. Mm-hmm.
I keep one note whenever I try to speak in English. There is one note I keep in front of me, and on that I have written "Speak slow and remove fillers."
Okay, that's also a good idea. I'll also try that. If it
Yeah,
works for me, that will be good.
definitely it works because as you mentioned that I speak slow just 2 or 3 minutes. After that, I start speaking, on that flow which I have, start speaking fast. So when you this thing, if you have a note that you keep in front of you, when you see that note, oh, I have to speak slow. Suddenly, so that's why.
Yes, very true, very true. It always happens with me also. So
Yeah, that's why.
how's the COVID situation in Punjab nowadays?
COVID situation in Punjab, it's not good, but lots of people every day we government and especially in Jalandhar, actually I don't know in other cities, but in Jalandhar the situation is now going good because there is a lockdown and people are trying to follow the restriction which has been imposed by government, especially DC. So there are some cities like Ludhiana, their pandemic situation is not good. Their people are, these days they are facing more than 2 and 3 disease. First COVID-19, second black fungus, third white fungus. Now yesterday I got a news that yellow fungus
Has also
also
evolved.
uh,
Yes,
involved.
true.
So because these people in Ludhiana is population, it's populated area, lots of people, and manufacture, as Ludhiana is known to manufacture clothes.
Okay.
So that's why
There are so many
their
factories
situation
in
is
Ludhiana also, right?
yes, yeah.
Yes, yes. I heard about Ludhiana. Ludhiana
Yeah,
is
here.
acha, Ludhiana is capital of Punjab.
No.
Chandigarh. I'm
Capital
sorry.
of
I'm
Punjab,
sorry. I'm sorry. That is
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry.
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
Ludhiana. You can say Ludhiana, Jalandhar, and some other cities who
Mm-hmm.
are very popular across the India.
Yes,
Like
true.
Ludhiana is known for manufacture the clothes, and Jalandhar is known for manufacturing the goods, sports, especially sports, and we can say especially cricket, bat
Cricket.
and
Hmm.
ball. Yes. So
Okay, so
these are some cities.
what is your favorite? Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer, it's not only one. My
Okay.
favorite cricketer are
Ah, okay.
Rohit, Rohit,
Huh?
KL Rahul, and Virat Kohli and Dhoni.
And
So,
Dhoni.
but one of I can say one is one of them. I really like them. Right, really like him. That is Dhoni because he
Dhoni.
has a lot of patience while playing, and he is cool. So
True.
I have learned lots of things from him.
Yes, he's very calm personality.
Yes, and Kohli is short temper.
Okay, actually, I'm not very fond of cricket. I just do watch when there is a match between India, Australia, and India, Pakistan. Actually, I don't have any about idea and about the cricketer's name. Also, I just know Kohli, Dhoni, Bumrah. So I
These
don't
are the some
know the
famous.
names. Yes, yes. See,
These are some famous
these are the
cricketers.
players who comes in advertisement a lot. So that's why
Yes,
we
yes,
know
yes.
that. Yes. Otherwise, we don't know. Means I don't know the cricketer's name, to be very frank.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you also taken this clapping of subscription?
No. I haven't. I just took 2 demo session from them,
Okay.
and it was very good experience for me.
Okay. So, what do you do to improve your English or to enhance your English? Uh, what do you do in your regular basis?
See, nowadays I have practiced, I have started conversing with the people like you, and
Okay.
yeah. And apart from these, I do watch English content, English movies, English web series, and English serials, and I do read books also. I do read
Okay.
Chetan Bhagat books. I am huge fan of Chetan Bhagat, so I read his books. So these are the basic things which I do for my English journey.
Okay. So these are the basic things you have been following since you started English, or you start these things now?
See, Ravi, actually, I have learned English in all my studies. So it's not like that I don't know anything about English. I did my graduation in English stream only. So I am aware about English. But yeah, when it comes to
Okay.
spoken part, I am far behind because we people have not got that speaking environment. We are not surrounded by the people who speaks English, and whenever we speak any language, it's all about the people who we are surrounded by. So this was the only thing
Yes.
that I was not good in spoken English. So I tried that, okay, in this lockdown time I should start doing something related to English. And when I was surfing internet, so I saw some of the videos, people conversing with each other. I found it a very good idea.
Yes.
So I also started doing something related to making videos and then conversing with the people. So I have read earlier also. I have spoken to people also in English, but that was too in tutti frutti English. That was not so fluent. So yes, yes.
Okay.
But nowadays, now like I have started speaking to the people, so somehow it's giving me that fluency. That may be because of the reason that we speak fast, so we think that we are coming in fluency. But yes, it's giving a good experience. It's in good practice, so it's
Yeah,
nice.
that's true. It's the best platform to learn English. So, and here you can learn English without paying any single penny. You
True.
don't need to spend any rupees.
Mm.
One conversation, two people get benefit. First, who made invite a second, who make a conversation with you, who makes
See,
it.
other people, when we post our videos on the YouTube platform, other people also get benefit from it. Like when
Yes.
I started making videos, I was inspired by many people. So once we post these videos, other people get inspired and they try to speak.
Yes.
Because if I talk about our study culture, there is a subject known as English in some of the schools. If I talk about government schools, so it starts from, I think, fifth standard. So there
Yeah,
is
it's fifth standard.
yes, so there is a hesitation in our mind that we don't know anything about English. We people know English very well, but yeah, it's when it comes to spoken, we are lacking behind because we are not surrounded by that environment. So by coming at this platform, we are removing our hesitation. Now we are able to speak to each other. We are talking. We
That's
are
true.
strangers. We are strangers. Still, we are talking. We don't know each other, but we are talking. We
Yeah,
are.
that's true.
Yes, this practice is making us confident enough.
Yeah, I know. If I talk about myself, I don't know how I pass English, from eighth to and I have passed VCom. But after that, I was not good at grammar. I was not good at speaking. I was not good at writing. But
Hmm.
after that, I wrote whole through the whole, whole the paper in English.
Hmm. True.
So yeah, it's good. And in the during the pandemic, I realized that I should learn English because every person has some unique qualities.
Yes.
It's okay
Right.
if you work somewhere in private sector, but private sector can they can kick you. They can fire from the. They can anytime they can kick you from the job or fire from the job. Nobody knows. So that's why during this pandemic, I realized this thing. So after that, in September, October, I started again to learn English, and I set a goal that I would be able to speak in English up to by May or June. So yeah, I can speak, but there is some hesitation. Not hesitation. There are some fillers which I use. Now I need to remove these fillers, like
Yes. Yes.
and
Yes.
I'm just trying to remove these things. And
See, as you told that English is a
okay,
very much necessary.
so if how okay, so apart from the, do you do some extra activity? to improve these things. Like when we start reading something, after some time we get bored. So don't you feel you have
No,
like you
I to
may
be
feel
very
this
frank,
thing?
I don't get bored. This is, I think, because I do read books which are of my interest. I never get bored when I read Chetan Bhagat books. Actually, I love to give more and more time to the reading. Are you able to hear me?
Hello,
Can you hear me?
hello.
You are
Yeah, I
audible?
think there is a network issue. Yeah, hold on. I think there is a network issue here.
Okay, okay, okay.
So I think I should change my.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Okay, so I was saying that as you said that in companies, people are given more preference when they speak in English, and anytime companies can kick you or you can fire you. So yes, English is very much important nowadays if we want to grow, because I have seen people growing who knows English, and I have seen people degrowing who don't know English but they are good in their subject knowledge. So nowadays people are
Yes.
given preference if they know English.
Yeah, it's matter everywhere. If you know English,
True,
then you can find job very easily,
true,
and
and
even
it's
that
all about
you
speaking
can start
only.
your own. Yeah, even you can render your service to the other, and you can generate income. So if you are good at English, now you can start your own channel and you can teach other. So that is how you can generate your own income at this platform. Either you can start offline classes. So it's
Yes,
English is gives you more than one benefit.
true, true. Actually, whenever we start learning something new, we get that confidence also.
Yes.
Yes. Actually, I was watching some videos of the people who started their journey before 1 month, and now they are doing so good. If you watch their first video and you watch their latest video, there is a huge difference. I
Yes.
was talking Mantu from Odisha, and
I made a conversation with him.
yes, with him, yes, and Neetu from Lucknow. They both are doing so well.
Yeah, I made a conversation with Mantu and Pratima, Sonam, and Megha.
Okay.
So when I watch there, whatever their earlier video when they started uploading the videos on these videos, they were not good,
Yes.
and they had some hesitation while speaking. But now they can ask any question very easily, or they can speak not can say fluent, but they can speak.
Like they are able to convey their messages. They are not there is no
Yes.
hesitation now. They matlab,
Yes.
this practice has given them that confidence that now they can speak to any of the people out there when it comes to their local person or when it comes to the stranger.
I think you made a conversation 1 week ago with Chand Raja.
Yes, I did.
You may, yeah, he's one of them. When he started his, you can say, speaking part, so he was not good, but now he can speak English good.
He's quite good.
Yes, I
Yes, so these are the
after
people.
2 or 3 days.
Yes, these are the people who are inspiring other people a lot.
Yes, so
Yes,
these are the people who inspired me, and I have started my own channel so that I could make a conversation with him. That's why I request you all.
same
Can I have a
here.
conversation with you?
Yes, actually, my intention of making my YouTube channel was not for posting videos for other people. It was for me only because I wanted to improve my English, and I find it a very good idea that okay, I'll make my videos and then I'll post it to the YouTube, and then I'll watch those videos again and again so that I can find out what mistakes I am making. So I took
Yes,
that 30
and
days
you can
challenge, and
also invite other.
yes, then I took that 30 days challenge and I started making videos. Then people started appreciating me. They got inspired. So I thought, okay, if I can be any inspiration factor for someone, then it will be giving me a more happiness. So then I thought, okay, let's make it a YouTube journey. Let's start talking to people in different states and different areas, and it's really giving a very nice experience.
Yes, there are some students you can say who are good at grammar, who are good at uh, writing and listening, but they are not good at speaking
Yes.
because they don't have that environment. Uh,
Yes,
Especially if I talk about my family, there is no one in my family who could speak in English.
yes,
So this is the factor which affect our life. We want to speak, but we don't have an environment.
yes. This platform has given us that environment. And as you said, if we talk to any school going boy or girl, like ninth or 10th student, they must be very good in grammar. They can correct us.
Yes,
But when it comes to the speaking part, they will not be able to speak. But they are very good in grammar. They will be very good in making sentences. So
yes.
yes, so our education system should also promote talking in English.
It will take lots of time.
Whenever any exam happens, people start writing are all of the exams in written form only. So there should be some evolution now, like spoken part is also important.
Yeah, it's important, but it will take a long
Yes,
time,
obviously we
especially
cannot
in
change our
government.
education system. We cannot change our education system.
In private schools,
Yes.
there are some private schools who are good and
Hmm.
who try to speak in English.
Hmm.
They make a conversation with their student in English, but
Hmm.
there are some private, you can say school or some semi-government and government school. They don't have that such type of.
You are on mute. Yes,
I
yes.
got a call. So
Okay, okay, okay.
there are some semi-government and government schools. They start English as a subject after 5 class. And when we any student comes or pass 10, after that they know some rules of grammar. So
Right, right.
it will take some time, but okay. So lots of people who learn English this from this platform, YouTube.
Yes, yes, yes. So I was listening to news yesterday that government is trying to find out some way for the 12th class examination, and it's becoming very difficult for
Yeah,
them that how to conduct 12th class exams, because 12th is a base for getting admission in any of the university or college.
yeah. For that, I think for that CBSE, what they are doing, there are four. I think they find out four main subjects. So they just conduct their exam, and like something else, I just read some. I have read somewhere. So apart from the other subject, they give the marks on the behalf of assessment or like such some like this. So yeah, I don't know
Yes,
what is
yes,
going to happen in future. So it's good,
yes.
but sometimes I feel I wish when we were studying these such type of activities, why didn't happen
Yes, yes. That's why I'm
now?
saying that
People,
now government should think that there should be something in spoken also. It's not about that ratification that okay, you have been given an essay or you have given a poem. You just need to read that poem and then start speaking. Yes, okay, I am this. It's not about like that. There should be an open conversation in English.
yeah, actually we are used to mug up. used to, doing mug of things.
Yes.
So, and we know, okay, I have to pass this exam, and after that, I do not need these things. So I
Yes.
just do things.
True. True. So,
Yes,
Ravi, it's going a long way now.
I think long
Yes.
way.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you,
So,
ma'am.
yes, same here. Thank you so much. You people are inspiring us a lot. Because of you people only, we have started speaking, and that confidence has come in us. So, thank you so much, and you are doing a very good job.
Thank you.
So, let's
Bye,
call
bye,
it
ma'am.
for the day. Bye bye.